Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to put all of my girl groups into this small binder. I have quite a bit. I'm not going to do any inclusions, just the PCs, and not the OT8 PCs either. I'm going to figure something out for those. But I want to go by member. I want to switch this binder to my Stray Kids. Like, I want to move Stray Kids from their little binder to this one. I can't say it's a little binder. It's not an A4. It's just a regular binder. And I just don't like it. It's too bulky. I got like the 4-inch one. And I'd rather just move it to this and then ditch that binder. So I'm going to go through and I think I might just do it by age. I think I'm going to do an age order. So I'm going to go through and collect all of Nyan. I don't have a lot of Nyan. I have a lot of Chayoung because she is my bias. I saw them back in February and it was the time of my life. Actually, I'm going to go by leader. I'm going to do Geo first. Geo. I'll do Geo first. I'm going to put, yeah. I'd rather go by leader. I go by leader for everything else, so why not twice? I started collecting twice during the This Is 4, and then I bought just like random PCs of hers whenever I saw them. Like I recently bought this one, and this one. She is so beautiful. That's all I have for her. This isn't sleeved, so I have to sleeve it. I guess she's going in flowers. I don't know where my regular sleeves are. Oh! Gemmin. What is this from? Did my sister give me this? I don't remember pulling this. I feel like my sister and I traded because I think I gave her RM. I don't know. Where did he come from? I'm going to have to ask her. That's too funny. I'm going to try these sleeves out. These are the ones that came with the binder, I believe. All of these, are they double-sided? Yes. We will go page by page. Alright. We'll go by the oldest era. So that's the newest. And then it goes, this is 4. I'm gonna guess, I don't know, Eyes Wide Open. I'm gonna guess was before Enemy. Ooh, I don't like these pages. I don't know how I'm going to like this. This also isn't sleeved. Let's put the This Is 4 here. Okay, that is a lot tighter, but I still feel like they're gonna fall out at the top. The Meow Cafe pages don't do that. Also, I would zoom out more, but every time I zoom out, it gets all like grainy, and I don't know why. I hate the iPhone camera so much. Love these. This is from the 10, The Story Goes On. I was not a huge Geo fan until, literally until the concert. I'm gonna use these red, these sleeves as binder fillers so that things don't fall out. I'm not working on twice anytime soon. Like, I'm just putting it these two here so that they don't, like, it adds more like thickness for the PCs because they're so slippery. Nyan. This one. I don't know how many Nyan I have. You can't even see this side of my binder. I'm so sorry. But I have these 3. From 10, The Story Goes On. And I have this one. Oh yeah, I also have this one. I pulled this like 7 times. Like, I believe in like every album. that I got from Walmart. I pulled it. So I only need 1 page for her. These are gonna go on the back. Okay, I'm gonna put this one first. I love these. I would love to get OT9 of them. I don't know why some of these aren't sleeved. A filler, just in case. I'm gonna, yeah. I wonder if I use a different tripod, if you guys can see everything better. Because I just have like the one that like hooks to my desk rather than the one that like stands over my desk. Because that one is so bulky and then I can't sit down, I have to stand, and I really want to sit down for this. Okay, next is Chayoung. Here she is. What do I have of her? I have these 4 from This Is 4, and then, well, 5 because I have this one too, and then I have these 2 from 10 The Story Goes On. This is not sleeved. Okay. Now, one of these is gonna have to go on the back, and I think I'm gonna do that one because I want to do that one first. The video looks really dark. Actually, I'm gonna put these 2 down here and then put a red filler up here. Let's see what it looks like so far. It's Geo, and then it goes into Nyan, and then Jimin. Momo is next. I don't have Momo in these green ones. I don't even think I have a lot of Momo photo cards. I have a lot of Suie. I have 4 Momos. I have 1 from the strategy and then 3 from This Is 10. I may have pulled Momo for This Is 4, but I gave that to my sister. Not sleeved. So who is after Momo? Sana. So how many Sanas do I have? I think I only have 3 Sanas. So I can put Sana on the back. I don't think I'm going to be collecting any more twice for a while. Sana is my sister's bias, or one of her biases. It was Momo, like hardcore Momo. And then we saw them and she was like, I adore Sana. Alright, Momo first. I'm gonna do strategy first. We'll do this Momo. Whoa. Okay, so I zoomed out anyway, because you guys were not gonna be able to see anything, and I took a 2-minute break because Hobie went live, and I wanted to see what he was up to. He was just staring at the screen, but they are in Toronto. That's so exciting. I miss BTS. I went and saw them a couple weeks ago, and I just missed them. Oh my goodness. Okay. There we go. Boop. And then Geo. And then it's Mina. She's my other bias. I love Mina so much. I don't know if I have a lot of Mina. I have a lot of Mina. And she's not sleeved. Oh, I have 1 sleeved. But I think because I got that from somebody. The fact that none of her PCs are sleeved, I'm a little disappointed in myself. Oh, that one is like yellow. Are these all This Is 4? Nope, strategy 10. So I have 2 This Is 4, 2 strategy, so those can go on the same page together. Perfect. I don't know what it is about these sleeves, but they're like yellow. Do they look yellow to you? Is it just me? Am I just a little crazy? They look like dirty. I did hear from somebody that like the ones with prints tend to look like that. I don't know if you can see it. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I will worry about that later. I eventually want to switch to all clear sleeves. I just need to order more. Strategy 1 is damaged. These are the only 2. This is 4 that I have. I'm gonna put other girl groups in this binder too. I don't think I'm gonna make it like just a twice binder. We'll see how many photo cards I have here. There's Mina. Chayoung's next. I have 5 for her. Now 1 is not sleeved. Okay, so this one is from Enemy. So those will go on the same page, and that will be on its own page. Enemy first. I don't know. Was Enemy before this is 4, or was it after? I don't know. I'm starting to think after, because it's a Japanese one, right? Oh well. Fillers. Okay, this is where it gets a little crazy, because now I have Chayoung. So I have Chayoung album and then Chayoung solo album. So I think I'll do just the regular album first. I have this one, this one, this one. I also think these ones, these are the story goes on. Those are her solo. These are her solo. These are also her solo. This is 2 pages, or 1 whole page, 1 whole page, 1 whole page. It's gonna be a lot of Chayoung, which is fine. She's also not sleeved. What is wrong with me? I have no idea what I was doing. I think I like ran out of sleeves or something. I had to, you know, I had to. This is gonna be a long video. I did not anticipate for this video to be that long, but I really want to get my Stray Kids stuff figured out. Right now, I have all of their stuff, like, I have Do It. I was trying to do OTA. I gave up. Karma, I have some things OTA. I might put a random one here. I think this one. I think I'll do this one. Anyway, I was doing a Stray Kids OTA in the beginning, like when I first got into them, and that was way too much. I feel like I should just do a sleeving video and then put everything away. And I thought this was sleeved. Okay, so I'm definitely missing a PC because I took one with me on vacation. Maybe I took that one. You're telling me I took it and it wasn't sleeved? Okay, let me gather all of these PCs and sleeve them real quick, and then we will get back to this because this is taking forever. Real quick, this is what it's looking like. I love it. It's so cute. I am back. I have everything sleeved. I had to go open a whole new pack of sleeves. These are from Chayoung's Little Fantasy solo album. They are so cute. I love these PCs. It came in like this little tiny box. Those I want to do on their own page. Is there another one where I just have 2? Yeah. These are so cute. I also have Suie all sleeved and ready to be put away. I just did all of it. These ones I wasn't the biggest fan of. I mean, she's adorable, but they weren't like my favorite PCs. I'm gonna split it. Nah, I think, are these the same? I have two of the same. I have a dupe. I didn't even notice. Okay, well, I'm gonna take that one out. I didn't even notice. Alright, so I want these two. Oh my gosh. I had to take another mini break because my dogs had to go potty. So I have these 4 left. I think I'm just gonna put them here on this side. We also have these stickers, so I'm gonna put the Chayoung sticker here. I'm gonna put Suie on the back. So we have 10, and then we have all of this is 4, and these are her solo album PCs. 3 and 3. I love when that happens. I'm gonna start off with this one. My dogs decided to chew a bone in this very moment. Okay. Let's put these 2 here. I'm just gonna add her solo album stuff here. Oh, I love these PCs. These are so beautiful. She is so beautiful. Okay, so that'll go there. And then this one's like a lenticular. Yay! I'm gonna put fillers all on the back. Actually, no. I have a few group ones, and then I have these 2 stickers. I have Mina and Sana, so I just need something to go there. I might just put the extra Chayoung, my extra Che for right now, until I can figure out what to do with her. But here's the binder so far. Oh my gosh, I love it. I have all of these pages that I think okay, I threw all of them in here. I'm just gonna put these ones in. Well, I thought I'd be able to fit more, but I don't think I'll be able to. Now I think the binder is full. So I'm gonna take those out. I'm just gonna put them in here. Yeah, they're fine. Oh my gosh. I thought I'd be able to fit all my other girl groups in here. I can't even fit all of this. That's okay. I'll figure it out. Thank you all so much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you very soon in my next one. Bye!